Hello guys, so in this particular video I won't be discussing any educational tutorial, but you can take it as a humor. So I found this pretty interesting that we all have been in the Indian education system, and we have all been taught in a wrong way. So the correct way, the way we could have been taught is something like this, that we all know that how to divide 28 by 7. So the answer can be 7 4s are 28. The answer would be 4. But no, we had been taught wrongly. In the countries outside, they were taught in a correct fashion. What we can do is that 7 1 just 7, and we are having 7 8, so 1. 2 will be coming up from here, and 7 3s are 21. So the answer will be 13. So the question might come that I am doing it wrongly, and I have a way to prove that whatever I'm doing is not wrong. It's a correct way. So 13 basically means that the 13 multiplied by 7, it should give 28, right? So let me prove it to you guys. So we'll be taking a new sheet. So let me clear the. So let me. So okay. So what we'll be doing is that we will be multiplying 13 with 7. So 7 3s is 21. Again 7 1 just 7. If we add this up, we are again getting 28. So see, so 28 divided by 7, the answer should be 13. Again, the question comes that if 13 is being added up 7 times, then it should be 28, right? So let's try it out in that way as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Fine. So 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And the answer is again 28. So I think I have made my point in a clear way of view that if we divide 28 with 7, the answer what it should be is 13. So 7 1 just 7. The remainder is 7 1 just 7 means the remainder is 7 1 just 7. The remainder is 1 and 2 is coming from here. So 1 and 7 1 just 7, 21, 7 3 is the 21. Yeah. So 7 divided by 28, the result should be 13. So that's why our India is lagging behind from the Western countries. That's the correct way of education, what I feel like. Take it as a humor. Thank you guys and happy coding.